Hi, Kate here from Waste Free with Kate. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a talk around the Munch products. So Munch are one of my sponsors and they have an amazing bunch of products. So I just want to take you through a few of the different products that they have. And I thought instead of doing many videos, I'll do it all in one. So you could be watching me for a little while, but let's go through some of their cool products. So first of all, when I first got in touch with Munch, their main product was things like Beeswax Reps. So we've got the they do a Munch food wrap, and they also do the nil food wraps. So they're the Beeswax Reps. Really great product, great for covering your cheese, things like that. Or wrapping up sandwiches, covering bowls and all those sort of things. So they do the Beeswax Reps. Also still on the food wrapping sort of things, we've got reusable food pouches. So these are fantastic for if you have rice cakes or crackers and things like that, or even chippies to put in the kids' lunch boxes or even your own. And they also do a sandwich wrap, which is fantastic as well. Great for taking the kids' lunches to school, so you can wrap your sandwich up in there. Just do the little Velcro strips up and then wrap your sandwich up really nicely. They also do some baby products as well, and I'll come back to lunch products in a minute, but they do reusable food pouches. So these ones here, which are fantastic for if you're making your own baby food, or if you've got older kids going to school and they want to take squeezy pouches of yogurt, instead of paying what you pay for a single-use squeezy pouch, you can use these, and these can be used many times. So great little product as well, and they're reusable, so they zip lock at the top, and you just wash them out and away you go again. So they do the reusable food pouches. Also, one of my favourite products that they do is these here, which are reusable ice block moulds. So you can make using your own, like if you've got flat lemonade or flat Coke or little bit of yogurt left, you can just put it into here, pop it in the freezer and make your own ice blocks, which is a great thing, especially in the summertime for kids. Not in the winter while I'm wearing a beanie though. Another cool product on their baby range is they make a whole lot of different plates and cups out of rice husk. So these are a cool little product made from rice husk, and once you're finished with it, you can apparently dig it into the ground and it will compost or biodegrade quite quickly. I haven't tried it because I don't want to waste it by digging it and putting it in the ground, but that's apparently what happens. So really cool little product and looks really natural. So another cool product there. They also do reusable baby food trays. Now these are a great product. They're silicone, so they push out easily. So if you make your own baby food, you can stick it in here and then pop it into the freezer. It's also oven safe. So once you've finished using it as a baby food freezer sort of tray, you can use it to make mini muffins or cake pops or something like that. And the other thing that's quite cool is they could be used as a toddler's lunchbox, like with all the little different areas. You could put little bits of food in there and it could be used as a toddler's lunchbox. Also on the baby stuff as well, they do some beautiful little bamboo little spoons. So with a little silicone tip, really cool little spoons. And again, like once that you've finished with the spoon, you could take the spoon off and you'd be able to compost this part. So it's a really good, nice little waste-free product there as well. They do toothbrushes as well, so different sizes. So these are bamboo toothbrushes. So many things. Little bamboo toothbrushes, so they do adults and children's sizes. The cool thing about the bamboo toothbrushes is once you've finished with them, you just pull the bristles out with some pliers and you can pop the bamboo straight in the compost bin. So that's a very cool little product as well. And there's a lot of companies doing these sort of like little eco initiatives which help with us working towards zero waste. Then I just got this as well, and this is great. I didn't even know that they did these, so this is a new product. This is a reusable produce pouch, but it's actually quite a massive one. Really nice and stretchy too, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. But these are great for taking to the supermarket and buying your own vegetables, or buying your veggies and fruits, and using reusable bags instead of plastic bags. So good on our whole plastic-free movement. Also straws. But wait, there's more. They do reusable stainless steel straws and little brushes to clean them out with. So fantastic little product. And again, just reducing our plastic waste straight away. And they're nice. They've got the ones with the wee bend in them and come nicely packed up in a little cotton bag, which is very cool. Another one is the little glass eco drink bottles. So it's got a silicone on the outside, so if the children drop it, it won't smash. But a nice little solid glass drink bottle, real easy, nice and small, so it holds 500 mils, and great to send to school with the kids instead of using single-use plastic drink bottles. But good for you for in your handbag as well. Still on the lunch scene, they've got a couple of other little products. So this one here is their little chiller bag. So it's a nice little lunch chiller bag, and you could use that on its own if you wanted to, and it's got a little space for putting a chiller pack in there, so you can stick your chiller pack in there, but you can actually do this, and this is one of their silicone lunch boxes, which is also awesome. So if you're sending your kids to school, you can pop your lunch box out and make it full size. It's even got a spork on the front, so handy if they're having fruit salad or something like that. Close your lid, and then what you can do is put that into this little chiller bag like that and zip it up, and that gives it a nice little coolie bag, especially in the summertime. So that is like your whole little lunch pack up in a little briefcase for the kids, which is cool. And then just to finish on, I've kept this one to last, but it's winter time at the moment. And one of the things that they did was, because they make the beeswax wraps, they have a lot of the ends. So what they've done, which I think is just brilliant, is you can see on here, it's all the little ends of the beeswax wraps, and they've just sort of squished them up into balls, and you can use these as firelighters. So even with your old beeswax wraps, you could squish it if it's gone and it's sort of done its dash, you could squish it up and use it as a firelighter. And these here, just using all their old ends, which they look really cute. Good for fireplaces, if you're going camping or in an emergency kit as well. But they burn for about 15 minutes. So it's a good way to sort of be a little bit more like chemical free. The beeswax just sits as little fire starters in the fire, which I think is awesome. So that's like feels like about an hour long thing, but you know, there's some cool brands around, and Munch is one that is constantly bringing new products into the market, which are really thoughtful and useful products. And so it's great to see such a massive range of different products that you can get from them. But they also sell to other companies. So they have wholesale and lots of different suppliers around the country as well. So great little selection of products. And yeah, I just think they're really thoughtful. And what a great brand, because a lot of the stuff is like New Zealand as well. Like all of their beeswax wraps and things are all made in New Zealand. So it's a cool little brand. So thanks so much for sending me these products, Munch. And yeah, if you want more information, you can go to their website, which I'll put a link on the bottom of the video, so you'll be able to find it just below. But yeah, they're a great New Zealand brand, trying to reduce waste in our beautiful environment. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.